They go from expected to extraordinary in the blink of an eye.
You're awe-stricken. They transform themselves to something that you've never seen before.
They swagger and serenade. They dance and display. They're unlike any creatures on Earth, and one of the most astounding phenomena ever witnessed. The birds of paradise. Found here in an attempt to comprehend their secrets, and in doing so, revealing extreme examples of the miracle of evolution.
Birds of paradise represent endowed that are extraordinary. They're something that's without precedent, something that evolved that's so unique and so exceptional that you're driven to say,